Hey folks, my name's Heath. I'm the business manager here at Family Fun RV, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue. We had a great spring RV show at the Expo Center last weekend, and the weather's starting to cooperate with us. We're getting real excited about camping season, so we've extended our pricing, our show pricing. So we got some great deals out here. We got a little bit of everything to show you. We got a ton of bunk houses. We got new motors, we got rear kitchens, we got every floor plan you could want. What I want to do right now is just show you the selection of Vengeance toy haulers we have right now by Forest River. I'm not going to go too much into the features. I just want to show you a few floor plans. This is the shortest one we have. This is a bumper pull 25V. These all come with a 4K Onan generator. Nice bathrooms, nice big patio back there. And these are half-ton towable. These have been super popular units for us. And we're gonna take a look at a couple of these big luxury fifth wheel toy haulers we've got. This one here I love. This is a 421 V13. Fireplace, big TV, residential fridges, bar counter there on the kitchen, half bath, loft bunks. But here's what really blows you away in this particular unit. Go up to the bedroom and you've got a suite. Master suite up here with a TV and a fireplace. So that is pretty incredible. Now we've also got the 348 V13. This is one of the most popular. We've moved quite a few of these. Again, you got the kitchen with the half bath, the loft, nice big couch. And last but certainly not least, we got the Touring Edition 381 L12.6. Nice big shower in this one, nicer bathroom. Huge Norcold fridge, nicer LG solid surface countertops, 5K Onan generator. And in the garage on the Touring, you get everything you had before with some extra storage, TV, entertainment, washer dryer hookups. Everything you could want in a toy hauler we got in one of our many floor plans. This is just a few I wanted to run through real quick. So it's a great time to buy a toy hauler. The weather's getting nice. Come check us out, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue. Give us a call, 971-803-7912. Thanks for watching.